let me introduce our subject. The name of the subject is Deepening the Skills of Staff in Public Administration. The authors are me, I'm Klára Václavíková, and my colleagues Botlík Josef and Botlíková Milena. So, transport infrastructure in the integral part of the strategic documents of the Czech Republic and its territorial units. The quality of transport infrastructure depends not only on the financial, technical or implementation, so also the quality of human resources working in this field. In public administration should be that increasing education and deepening the skills of staff should be one of the tools for improving the quality of services. This paper shows the specific programs increase professional competence and their use in the region and the Czech Republic. The first one is information about the main institution in the Czech Republic. It is Ministry of the Transport. It has two parts. It's a regional offices of the Department of Transport and administrative department of transport unit. The Department of Transport and Road Management is from Department of Transportation, Administrative Duties and Road Management. The main law in this topic is Act number 13 1997 on the road as amended. So, the training of staff in public administration is hosted Act on the education officials of local government units pursuant to the Act 312 from year 2002. Education includes in this area. It's an area of general education, knowledge vocation education, and forms and evaluation staff training. The main needed education in public administration is first one, field of general education. It depends on ethnics. Second one is acquiring education high school to deal with university. And the third is refresher courses and depending qualification. And the second one is retraining. Now we can talk about input education relating to the head of office of senior official and official involved getting. Knowledge of the fundamentals of public administration, in particular the general principle of organization and activities of public administration and European planning, fundamentals of European administrative law, principle of financial and technical rules, and so on. Basic skills and habits necessary for the performance of the administrative activities, basic knowledge of the use of information technology, and the basic of communication and organization skills needed for the job in their work. Fundamentals of management control for managers. Continual education for official, depending update and specialized education official focused on the execution of administrative activities. This defined education we could include seminars, conference, training cycles. The depending of language skill and language skills for the right terminology in the appropriate language. So now we can talk about verification of special professional competence of head of office and a senior official and officer. Getting general and specific knowledge to perform the job. It's the list of the competencies and their abbreviators. There is necessary to know the staff of the transport department issue concerning law, regulation and ordinances, relation to land use planning, road, knowledge maps, environmental education, legislation, and so on. Training of senior officials, including the general and special part. The first one concerns the knowledge and skills in the management officials. A special section includes an overview of the activities set out in an implementing regulation exercised by subordinate official. For more information on executive education can be obtained at the website of the Ministry of Interior. The last one is retraining and qualification. Full or partial retraining with the full extent of the law 312. An example may be a shift worker from the Department of Cadastral Management to the Department of the Transport. The employee meets the condition for the exercise new job part. Education employees need to perform their jobs to pass exam special expertise in the field of road transport and decision supervisory activities in road management. So now we can see development of the development and education of employers in public administration. The form of this education are full-time study and learning. For learning you can have to internet and PC, of course. So in the picture, in the table number this one, we can see name of accredited education institutional in 2011. It's Academy Comenius Carmina, Academy of Public Administration, and something else. This is region, number, name of accredited education institute in 2011, region, and of course the number. This table shows the depend on the development and education of employees in public administration. The professional development of employees is the obligation for the performance of activities in the public. Each of these programs in the completion of the test and getting the certificate of SPS to the employee within a specified period from the acquisition of competence in public administration successfully completed. Moravia Silesia region has a stake in the education of employees and public administration, participate in mediation of 4 education programs accredited SPS. On its territory, civil servants must complete the required course-specific exercise, 6 months of starting employment. You can see number 4, taxes, environmental, economic part for education and so on. On the up you can see of course the region, the part of the Czech Republic. This one shows forms of education institution and specialized technical competence. It's a year 2009 and 2011. You can see summary and it's a 70% about. So it's the development of application for JRF during 2009 and 2012 in the Czech Republic. You can see the influence of road transport, train, administrative decision making and spatial planning. It's a number for this one part, and it's a year of 2010 for 2011-12. Now we can see overview of certificate of professional competence for the year 2009 and 2011 by region, and it's a region: the city of Prague, South Bohemia region, South Moravia region, and so on. The main in this picture is Silesia Moravia region, and you can see the number is lower. In this picture, you can see development of special use SPS for transport unition in the Czech Republic and share selected is SPC in Moravia Silesia region. You can see in 2011 used in Moravia Silesia region public officials to obtain a certificate of special professional competence in the field of spatial decision making and decision making in the field of construction law and expropriation. Overall, Moravia Silesia region in obtaining a certificate SPS reported in 17 of the 31 above average values, as one of the countries used the opportunity to gain expertise in the management of civil registration, taxes and finances to the greater extent than other regions. Also, the number of certificates issued to the capacity of the road holding, and this one shows efforts to develop knowledge for the creation of transport infrastructure. Overall, more about Moravia Silesia region, and you can see and you can read in our subject. Now we can see a success proper examination of specific professional competencies. This one, region, and pass the examination in the due course. The good is Silesia Moravia region, and you can see that the Moravia Silesia region is slightly below average in the success obtained certification for the first proper time relative to the total numbers of registered SPS is when the country ranked and the 7 instead of the 14 counties. Problems in the organization of programs and successful tests were caused by cancelling application. So, in this picture, the next most common application in the habilitation, you can see cancel registration in 2010 and cancel registration 2011, and the same region in Czech Republic, and it's a cancelled and reason for cancelled. Reason for cancelled was maternity leave. It's 1817, only part of the general disability, termination of employment, recognizing of efforts, labor code, change of office, and so on. Summa is this one. So, conclusion. It's possible to evaluate training and acquisition of skills for employment in the public sectors in still control. You can see the main was and are the decline of the annual exam success, repeated tests, increasing cost and extend work expertise, elimination of cancellation of application, and of the annual planning exam, poor planning, effective use of funds. The big problem was with storm, and it's possible to be better. So I think it's all. I would like to thank you for your attention.